But what I want to say, now that we have State Lodge in Kisii, I want to urge my governor that if we have an engagement with our President, Wiliam Ruto, can come to State Lodge in Kisii, and a number of us can go there, including all the citizens of Kisii, and we can be able to discuss this matter. So I heard about it. There is no formal communication about it, and there's nothing wrong really visiting the president. But I can tell you the Kisii community is big. There are a lot of people who want to talk to the president. He's the president of Kenya up to 2027. So that engagement is real. And as you know, as per the Constitution of Kenya 2010, the counties and the national government have complementarity. We can discuss. But one of the things that we really need to discuss is that we need to have more funds coming to the counties, and we want to have less interference by the Senate and other, even members of Parliament, to support county assemblies to implement devolution, because they are using Article 96 so much to undermine the county assemblies. The summoning of the governors to go to Nairobi, that is the work that county assemblies can do. But what they have done is that they have weakened the capacity of county assemblies in terms of the resourcing of the county assemblies, the vulnerability because they are not autonomous. So we don't want to take that one. But what we need to do is to implement the Constitution and as per the 4th schedule, so that we have the dual functions, agriculture, health, and all the others, Kera and all these Kura, to come down. We are capable of handling that one, and the governors are capable of handling. Let us strengthen devolution so that the people can benefit.